Here are 3 dangers on spending emotional money and 3 tips on how you can stop doing it. Watch the video. Just like me, it's a journey, it's not a destination. I am learning as well. I have my good and bad days. I mess up, but I do not punish myself for it. I reward myself. I say, girl, you know what? Look at what you did that yesterday. That's awesome. But here's the thing. I've been alone doing this. I would love for you to do this not alone. So therefore, myself and my partner, Ricardo Martinborough from Align Body Solutions, we created an opportunity for you. So it's going to be a fun group of 5 where you would learn how to discipline yourself with money. You will not only do that, you would also learn about investing. You would multiply the money that you have, and it's an 11-month program. Yes, anyone listening to me can do it. You don't just have to be on St. Maarten. You don't just have to be in the Caribbean. Anybody can participate and do this. So what we're going to utilize is a fun thing called Partner Hand membership. So Partner Hand is every month you're going to make a payment, which is an investment, and it's in a product that we created called the Enforcer One Back Brace. It helps people who have back pain, gets an ease from it, and they live life amazing. So you are going to be in a group setting, and guess what? Once a week, I'm going to give you a call in that group. Here's the thing. I was by myself and I struggled. I want to be able to have a group of people, at least on WhatsApp, video call once a week. You're going to get not just tips and tricks, but you're also going to get homework so that you can be able to do. And these are things, what you're doing is what I did. Okay, this is going to help you win. And after 11 months, you will be able to do what you got to do with the tools equipped to do so, to continuously live life. You're going to be able to financially be independent financially. You're going to have a future for your family, yourself. You're going to have those goals. You're going to be much better at disciplining yourself, saying no to people that you say yes to. So if you want to be part of this group that we created for you, you are the me that I was, that I wish I had this help, someone to call. And let's be real. In the Caribbean, there's not many representation of persons like this saying, hey, we want to help you. So it's kind of like I'm your money management coach. I'm going to help you manage your money and coach you at the same time. And if you want to be a multimillionaire, if you want to be part of our Caribbean Millionaires Club, I ask you to check the description right now in this video. I am also on YouTube, and if you go on YouTube, you will probably see the description even better if you're watching me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok. Guys, listen, the time is now. If you have an opportunity to change your life and you find this being that opportunity, do that now. You'll be able to learn tips and tricks of me, what I learned personally that is working. You will know what agenda to buy, what money planner to buy. You'll know how to go about it, and you will be able to be independent while still being supported in a group setting. Okay, so I believe that you can do this, but you have to not just believe it, you have to do something about it. So you are investing in you, and I am investing in you, and my team is also investing in you. I will be doing more videos like this. And let me know in the comments what other videos on money management, on how to get out of broke from a broke mindset, on how living in the Caribbean you could be able to multiply your money, how to manage your money. But I would love to have you be part of this group. Now, it's a maximum of 5 persons per group. I'm not going to do more than 5 because that's easier for me to be able to manage and coach everyone. The goal here is not to baby you. The goal here is to encourage you to do the thing that you already know you can do, but you just couldn't do it by yourself. You just needed some help. Someone who has been there, and someone who is still in it, and someone who is growing at the same time. And I'm that girl. My name is Ameera Groeneveldt. Contact us. The telephone number is +1721 556 1667. Check the description, or you could email Align Body Solution, ALIGNSXM@gmail.com. Again, check the description to contact us. And I am excited for you. You are the future Caribbean multimillionaire, first generation in your family, or multi-thousandaire, whichever one. But it starts with your money mindset shift and looking at money as a tool and not as a weapon. Okay? I love you. Congratulations, you did it. You made it to video 7 of 7 in this series where I spoke to you about the 3 different dangers of emotional overspending and the 3 different things that I did to help me stop with the tips that I provided you with. If you haven't watched all other 6 videos, make sure you check them out. And hey, if you want to join the waiting list so that you can be part of another group of amazing people just like you on this journey, check out the Google Doc form, fill it in, and it's an 11-month program that you do not and cannot miss, because it's going to take you from here to here when it comes to your mindset and your money set. All right, so make sure you check out those other videos, and I will see you very soon.